Hey guys, Jeremiah Brown here with 3-Star Industries. Today we're going to be introducing the 2021 Kawasaki Teryx. This particular model covers the 16 to 21. We're going to show you multiple levels of coverage. Check this out. Now we're going to show you how to install your doors. The adhesive hook is placed on the outside of the roll bar in the front. It's placed on the middle bracket on the very top. And then the adhesive hook will go underneath the roll bar, but on the inside of it. We also have it sewn in. And then down through here, we don't have any adhesive hook because the magnets on the door will actually stick here. We will then have adhesive hook placed here. And notice we don't have it on our decal because if you stick the adhesive hook on the decal, if it comes off, it could damage your emblems. And if you look on the inside, we've got our adhesive hook lined up here. You're going to have a piece of Velcro here. We have a piece of adhesive hook Velcro lined up above the door hinge inside of the door. And that'll be your last piece of adhesive hook for the door. An indication to know which door goes where, there's magnets that are already sewn into the door. Now that we've determined which door goes where, our first point of contact is going to be with our Velcro on the roll bar. One thing to keep in mind is the binding needs to be right there, lined up directly with it. If you go too far over, your placement will be off. Now we're going to attach our loop to the top of our top bracket. Then we'll pull our loop tab here, over and under, and attach it to our Velcro underneath. And then we'll slide this piece here on down as well. Now that we've got our top loop Velcro attached, we're going to come down here to the bottom of the door. You're going to see that there are two pieces of loop Velcro that are sewn in. We're going to go ahead and attach them to the adhesive Velcro that we've already placed on your door. To help with this, we're going to crack our door open. We'll go ahead and pull this down. We'll get this right here like that. And that is our door installed on our driver's side. We're going to repeat the same process on our passenger side.